Hi, I'm David. I'm a product manager in the computer software industry, and I give Visual Studio Code a 5 out of 5. When I decided on Visual Studio Code, I was also looking at other alternatives too, like Atom and IntelliJ IDEA. I chose Visual Studio Code over the other alternatives because of the extensive plugin base maintained by open source developers and also its speed compared to the other programming editors. Visual Studio Code was extremely easy to integrate with our business and developers, as our developers are already very familiar with the coding environment. So it was mostly a coding software change instead of the actual programming like technology change. So it's just a new editor, so very easy to change over from. If you're considering Visual Studio Code, I'd recommend testing it out and setting up a local development environment for a programming project of your choice. I would also recommend talking to your developers and seeing how they enjoy the development experience using Visual Studio Code.